Side hustle illusion and what works instead. Side hustles are everywhere, but what if most of them are just more hustle? The internet is full of side hustle ideas: drive for Uber, walk dogs, sell stuff online. But here's the problem: they still trade your time for money. They add stress on top of your full time job, and they rarely scale into something that truly changes your life. I tried the hustle harder route and I burned out. What worked wasn't another hustle, it was building a system that does work. The shift: ask the right question, not how can I make extra cash tonight, but how can I build income that repeats itself tomorrow? Leverage skills, not labor. Learning marketing online opens doors to sell anything: your product, someone else's, or programs with built in resale rights. Scale with simplicity. The right blueprint shows you how to turn 2 hours of work into income that keeps flowing over and over again. Have you tried a side hustle that ended up draining more time than it gave back to you? What would financial freedom actually look like for you? If you want the truth about side hustles, watch my video here: The Truth About Side Hustles No One Shares. That's the link in there for you to click. Hustles make you tired. Systems make you free. Yahoo! And I'm here to help you every step of the way.